You see the cracks from years before, old patterns resting at your door. A quiet way you didn't choose, but still you're called to heal and use. With careful hands you start the climb, one gentle step, one shift in time. The smallest change can break the chain and clear the roots of past domain. Addressing what began to fall, you rise with courage through it all. Start small and let the changes grow. Your steady heart will guide the flow. Success will come when you stay true to every step that's asked of you. The task may seem too vast to face, a tangled knot from another place, but strength appears in measured moves, in quiet work that slowly proves. Each honest act repairs the past and turns the tide that held so fast. With focus set on what can be, you rewrite what was left to see. Addressing what began to fall, you rise with courage through it all. Start small and let the changes grow. Your steady heart will guide the flow. Success will come when you stay true to every step that's asked of you. Healing starts the